Welcome back. Sorry about that interruption. Got a little technical difficulty as we get ready to open the third mini box of the Legend. So let's start now. Okay, we got 6 packs. First pack: Emmitt Smith, Darvin Adams, All-American Nick Fairley, Greg Salas, Raheem Moore. Jaquez Rogers, Hines Ward, number 12 of 86, Saturday Signatures, Cameron Hayward, Paul Hornick, Delone Carter. J.J. Watt, Ryan Mallett, Prince Makamura, 74 of 175. DeAndre McDaniel, Nick Fairley. Gino Cappelletti, Tandon Doss, Legends of the Fall, Tommy Frazier, Paul Krause, Kendall Hunter. Franco Harris, Michael LaShore, Legends of the Fall, autograph, Bo Jackson. 25 of 25, Von Miller and Major Harris. Aaron Williams, Ed McCaffrey, Paul Hornick, 74 of 250, Hines Ward, and Evan Royster. That ends that box, and that was a big hit with the Bo Jackson autograph. Let's move right along to the Topps Rising Rookies. Cut the plastic. Should be 4 NFL autographs or relic cards in every box. Let's see what we have. First pack: Brian Urlacher, D'Angelo Williams, Calvin Johnson, Brandon Lloyd. Draft Reflection, first round, Darren McFadden. Ryan Kerrigan, rookie. Dwayne Harris, rookie. Dante Moak, rookie. Quan Sturdivant, rookie. And the red, Brandon Harris, rookie. Ryan Matthews, Marshawn Lynch, Antonio Gates, Mercedes Lewis. Combine competition, Von Miller, Martez Wilson. Ryan Mallett, rookie. Niles Paul, rookie. Justin Houston, rookie. Gerald Jernigan, rookie. Edmund Gates. Matt Ryan, Santana Moss, Sam Bradford, Tony Gonzalez, NFL Draft 2011, Blaine Gabbert, Darrell Scott, Torrey Smith, Brandon Burton, Von Miller, Kyle Rudolph, rookies. DeMarcus Ware, Noshawn Marino, Chris Johnson, Phillip Rivers, Combine competition, Jake Locker, Christian Ponder. Cecil Shorts III, Quan Bowers, Jordan Cameron, Randall Cobb, Stephen Ridley, rookies. Justin Tuck, Sean McCoy, Jamal Charles, Hines Ward, NFL Draft 2011 Shane Vereen, Jimmy Smith, Titus Young, Cameron Hayward, Roy Helu Jr., Quan Sturdivant rookies. Arian Foster, Brandon Marshall, Dez Bryant, Matt Schaub. Congratulations, you are due to receive an NFL Shield rookie autograph of Daniel Thomas, 2011 Rising Rookies. It's a redemption card. Stephen Ridley, Muhammad Wilkerson, Akeem Ayers, Anthony Costanzo, Virgil Green rookies. Marshawn Lynch, Antonio Gates, Mercedes Lewis, Dwayne Bowe, Rob Gronkowski. Top certified autograph issued, number 23 of 40, Leonard Hankerson with the NFL Shield. Nathan Enderle, Tywan Jones, DeLone Carter, Blaine Gabbert, Denarius Moore rookies. Dwayne Bowe, Rob Gronkowski, Hakeem Nicks, Matt Castle, NFL Draft, Torrey Smith, Daniel Thomas, Ryan Whalen, Robert Quinn, Robert Hausler, Aaron Williams rookies. Austin Collie, Matt Forte, Ndamukong Suh, Steve Johnson, NFL Draft Prince Amukamara, Vincent Brown, J.J. Watt, Lance Kendricks, T.J. Yates, Dante Moak rookies. Mark Sanchez, Anquan Bolden, Andre Johnson, Frank Gore. Draft Reflections 5th round, Johnny Knox, Patrick Peterson, Anthony Allen, Mark Ingram, Bilal Powell, Marvin Austin rookies. Roddy White, Michael Turner, Shard Mendenhall, Mike Wallace, Combine Competition, Ryan Williams, Jordan Todman, Nick Fairley, Mike Pouncey, Michael LaShore, Greg Salas, Luke Stocker rookies. Deion Branch, Joe Flacco, Tim Tebow, Combine Competition, Patrick Peterson, Prince Amukamara, Draft 2011, Daniel Thomas, Greg McElroy, Alden Smith, Jamie Harper, Shane Vereen, Marcel Darius rookies. We're going to stop right there at the moment and finish the box in just a second on the next video.